If I fall, I voice REV. I'm very good at obby, so I don't think I'll fall. Inspired by Cologne at LEXSU01. Why did it say leaks you like that? Anyways, I'm doing great RN. If you noticed, I'm cosplaying as Meet Suri. Tie for 1000 on almost all my shorts. And TYSM for 86 subs. I'm so close at 100 subs. Is this wall hot? OHNVM. Wait, nitrogen monoxide, they're gonna troll me. This doesn't count. Please don't troll me. Okay, I'm gonna go hope they don't troll me. Yas, thank you. Doing great, but I might jinx myself. Okay, good, I didn't jinx myself. Romantic, I guess. I'm trying not to fall RN since I don't want a dot voice reveal. Never thought I would love obbies. I'm yapping too much. Going this way cause I'm scared I will fall. Wait, I didn't realize the Philippines flag in my inventory. Wait, this disappears. I almost fell. I'm puking RN. I think I will fall. Being careful since I don't want a voice reveal. Wait, no. Knew I was doing so good. I'ma fall now since I already fell. Okay, deal's a deal.
So this is my voice, and I'm so quiet, I know, so bye.